Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can reply to a specific message on Instagram. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Most people might get confused like what replying to a specific message on Instagram means. Let me show you the example. So for this, first, you need to click on the messenger icon at the top right of your screen on your Instagram. Now in my case, I have linked my Instagram to my messenger. That's why it's showing me the messenger icon. In your case, it should show you the arrow icon. So just click on it. And I'm going to go to my friend Richie Kevin over here. So as you guys can see at the top, I have replied to a specific message. You can see this message which says KUB. And right above KUB, it says NALAB, which means this reply is specifically for that message, alright? So let me show you how you guys can do that. So it's pretty simple. Most people just get confused. So let's say I want to reply to some of my friends' message over here. Let me just go into another message over here. So from Richie Kevin, I'll just go to Richie Kevin. And the first message, KABAKA, you can see that message. Now I specifically want to reply to that message. Now in that case, I need to click on that message and swipe right. Just swipe right like this by clicking on the message. Once you do that, a little arrow icon over here is going to appear, as you guys can see. That means you are good to release it. Now release the screen and your message box from bottom will pop up. And at the top, you can see it says replying to KABAKA, which means now we are able to reply to a specific message on Instagram. I'm just going to write this, alright? So let's say I'm replying to this specific message. I can click on send, and as you guys can see, I just replied to a specific message on Instagram. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to reply to a specific message on Instagram, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.